Deep beneath the surface, a symphony of strange sounds reverberated through the earth, a haunting melody that echoed in the hearts of those who dared to listen. Whispers of ancient secrets and forgotten tales swirled through the air, drawing the curious and the brave alike. Some claimed the sounds were the voices of lost civilizations, their stories buried in time, while others believed they were the Earth's own heartbeat, a reminder of its living essence. As night fell, the townsfolk gathered around campfires, sharing their encounters with the eerie noises. Some spoke of low rumbles that felt like a warning, while others described high-pitched wails that seemed to call them into the depths. A sense of unease settled over the community, intertwining with a strange allure. The sound stirred a longing for adventure, igniting imaginations and fears alike. People began to wonder what lay beneath their feet, and would they dare to uncover the truth?